Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to full screen on Windows. Let's get started the video. To make full screen on Windows, you can use this keyboard shortcut. Open the window you want to full screen. Now press F11 on your keyboard. As you see, now you have the full screen. You can use this to make any window full screen. This works for most apps and browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. To exit full screen, just simply press F11 again. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.